Hey you guys, if you're stuck at home like I am, practicing social distancing and your eyebrow have grown over the last couple of weeks, you can learn how to trim your eyebrow from this video. All you need is a razor and a spoolie brush. So what I usually do is maintain the direction of my eyebrow. We check the brows first and know the direction before even trimming. I also love to clean out the surrounding of my eyebrow. I love that because I want the skin around it to be very clean. And trimming the brow is quite simple. It's just repetitive in nature. You brush up and trim the long hair. You brush down and trim the long hair. And then you want to focus on the arch of your eyebrow. You want to clean it up and just make it very neat. And please, you have to be very patient because this process is for the calm. You don't want to cut yourself. If you are not patient, don't do this. Don't you do this, okay? Because I don't want you to come for me and say, oh, Lorlla said this, Lorlla said that. I said you have to be patient and calm. And we're done. Now you can trim your eyebrow by yourself at home, and I hope you've learned something today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like this video, comment whatever you feel down below. Let me know your mind. Let's rub minds together. See you guys next time in my next video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family and give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye.